Pelotonia is coming up, and whether you're riding for the cause, training for the miles, or supporting someone who is, there's one thing every cyclist should have with them: a reliable repair kit. When you're out on the road, a flat tire can happen fast. A small puncture, a piece of glass, road debris, and suddenly your ride is on hold. And if you're miles from your car, your team, or the next stop, that little flat can become a big problem. That's why carrying a bike repair kit matters. It's not just about convenience, it's about being prepared. A good repair kit helps you handle the unexpected, get your tire sealed, and keep moving instead of waiting for help or cutting your ride short. With a tube tire, the tire itself is on the outside, but the air is actually held inside a separate rubber tube. So when you get a puncture, that tube is usually what loses air. To fix it, you either patch the tube, repair the puncture, or replace the tube so you can inflate it again and keep riding. Tubeless tires work a little differently. There's no inner tube. The tire seals directly to the rim and the air stays inside the tire itself. Many tubeless setups also use sealant inside the tire to help close small punctures as they happen. Whether you ride on tube type or tubeless, flats can still happen. Glass, thorns, small wires, road debris. Glass, thorns, small wires, road debris, all of it can interrupt your ride. That's where having a bike repair kit matters. The key is being prepared before you need it. Because when you're miles from home or in the middle of a ride that really matters, a small repair kit can be the difference between finishing your ride and calling for a pickup. So before your next training ride, check your gear and your repair kit.